Hey, welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we are going to set up at Cloudflare Argo tunnel. So we have two services on this AC2 instance called as service XYZ and service ABC. So we are going to set up an Argo tunnel which is going to redirect the traffic to these two web services. Okay, let's quickly see how to set up an Argo tunnel. Okay, so firstly we have to install the small package of Cloudflare D on your system. I have already installed it using RPM command, so you can download this package and install it on your system. So it's already installed. Okay, once it is installed, you need to log into your tunnel. So you'll need to authorize it from your dashboard. So let's do it. Okay, I already have. So you have to click on this link to authorize that this is your account, and Cloudflare D might create a tunnel within your account and can manage the DNS records. So click on this. So this is my Cloudflare account. This is my zone. I authorize it. So that's all. Now it has downloaded this cert.pm in my root directory, root.cloudflare directory. So that's all, guys. So as we have authorized our Cloudflare account, let's quickly create a tunnel. Cloudflare tunnel. Create name of the tunnel. So it has downloaded this JSON file in your root.cloudflare directory. So these are your tunnel secrets. You can copy this file and keep it wherever you want. You just have to call it from your config.yaml. So let's see what is present inside this file. So here is account ID. These are my tunnel secrets, and this is my tunnel ID, and this is the tunnel name. Now let's see. I have a config file in this directory. So this config file says tunnel, name of the tunnel, so we have to replace this. Credentials file, so this is the credential file. I can move it here and call it as hello.json, or I can give this path here. And this ingress rule says if the user is visiting abc.atyorstation.in, you redirect it to this service locally, which means I should get ABC. If I visit abc.atyorstation.in, I should get ABC on my browser. So these are the subdomains which I already have created in my Cloudflare DNS records. I can show you. Hold on. So these subdomains are already present, which is using cname as my Argo tunnels ID, and with this suffix. And so if I need to add one more route in my Cloudflare account, I can do it from here as well. Cloudflare D route. Okay. So this is the command for adding the route Cloudflare D tunnel route DNS. Let's say I have to create a new service called as curious dot at your station dot in. Name ID. Okay. Oh, am I missing something? Route. Oh, tunnel name, right? I'm missing tunnel name. DNS curious dot at your station dot in. So as you can see, added CNAME for this subdomain. You can check here. Here it is. Now in my config.yaml I need to specify it. If first of all I need to specify my tunnel file, secret file, or else I can bring it here. Tunnel name is curious, correct? Okay. So I need to specify here if curious.atyorstation.in redirect me to 8002 port of my web service. Tunnel name is curious. Now if I run this Cloudflare D tunnel config.yaml run curious, that is tunnel name, enter. My tunnel has been started. If I visit curious.atyorstation.in, I should get service ABC. Perfect. So our tunnel is working. That's all. So we have set up the Argo tunnel. Again, thank you for watching my video, guys. Bye.